Hi, and this is a quick video on how to adjust an adjustable deadband option on a mechanical United Electric controlled pressure switch. Very easy to do. Here's an example of what an adjustable deadband micro switch would look like. And you have the little adjustment knob that is part of the actual micro switch itself. So basically the first thing you want to do is that we need to set the falling pressure first. The way we're going to do that is via this 5/16 adjustment hex. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is set the falling pressure first with the 5/16 hex, and then our rising pressure will be set via the white wheel on the actual micro switch itself. So I have a 100 series model here, has a adjustable deadband option. Here's a little test light fixture. First thing you want to do if you need to adjust anything is to unscrew the adjustment lock screw. It's just a Phillips head. For this particular example, we want this thing to 40 psi on fall. We want the switch to actuate. So what we're going to do, bring the pressure down a little bit. Pretty close to 40, but if you need to adjust it on fall, you would just adjust this hex screw just a little bit. It should tweak it right in there. Okay. Okay, that's pretty close. Now on the increased pressure, this is where you use the little white wheel. So right now it's probably about a couple of psi, 2 psi. So if you adjust the white wheel, that will increase your deadband. So originally it was 1 psi, 2 psi. Now it's going to be approximately 7 psi. So very easy to do, very simple. First thing you do is set your low pressure using the 5/16 hex. Your rising pressure, you use the adjustment wheel on the adjustable deadband option. After that's all done, I would probably cycle the pressure here and back and forth within your adjustable set point range. Double check your set point. If everything looks good, tighten the adjustment lock screw. And that should be it.